These are the toothbrushes that I usually use. It's the Colgate Floss Tip. I think these. Okay, so these are $14.99. So they have like the cute bristles. If y'all, I'm trying to hurry up and talk for the music, but if y'all like the electric toothbrushes, y'all can use that too. So we started from head to toe, okay? Toothbrush at $99. So if y'all want that, y'all can get that too. So let's go ahead and go to. Okay, so they playing music, so I am going to show y'all the toothpaste that I usually use. All right, usually use Colgate, the silver one, but you can also get this green one. Okay, so this is the mouthwash I usually use. You can never go wrong with TheraBreath. TheraBreath is really good, especially if you have bad breath or you suffer from gingivitis or something like that. Get you some TheraBreath. Okay, y'all, so these are the only mouthwash that I use. Throughout this video, you all will hear silence, or I might just, talk, but this is the second mouthwash that I enjoy using, and this one right here kind of makes your tongue dry, but it is really, really good. So go ahead and pick y'all up some. All right, y'all, so y'all cannot forget about flossing your teeth. Listen, you gotta floss your teeth. You can't just brush your teeth and leave it at that. So you gotta floss your teeth. So the floss that I usually use, so with Gran, I like using Gran, but sometimes Gran, like to this part right here, I don't really like it because it's too like plastic. So, but it's really, really good to get all the crevices in your teeth, okay? These and the green one. The green one is kind of small. It's a smaller. Girl, I had to go back and pick it up before somebody started talking about me, because y'all know sometimes we may drop something and girl keep walking, but I had to pick it up, okay? Anyway. My main ones that I usually get though is these. The Dentex sensitive gums. Because my gums is really sensitive, so these are really good. I feel so ordinary, so when you around me, treat me like water, right? Wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, but can we just rub it out? I don't want no steady with you, know you my plug, and I can't take this having no. Having no, baby. So for your face, this is what I usually use. The CeraVe facial cleanser. And I also use the Garnier Skin Active. This is one of my holy grails. Girl, it gets all the makeup off. So first I go in with this, and then I will go in with this. That is all I use on my face. Now sometimes you all can get face masks, okay? So they have like a lot of different face masks right here. Okay, y'all, so listen, anytime I get a pimple, I will either get this Mighty Patch or I will put toothpaste on it and sleep with it. Anytime you get a pimple, don't pick at your pimple. Just get the Mighty Patch or get the toothpaste, sleep with it, and you're good to go. Okay, y'all, so for your hair, I like the Mai. I think that's how you pronounce it. It smells really good. Any type of Mai or Mau, however you pronounce this, girl, get the shampoo and the conditioner. It smells really good, and it keeps your hair soft. Another brand that I like using is, what's her name? Mielle Organics. So Mielle Organics for your hair, A1. Pick you up some. Okay, so I'm showing you these Burt's Bees chapsticks because, girl, my lips get chapped a lot. I don't know about y'all, but if you get chapped lips all the time, you don't want to walk around with no chapped lips. Go ahead and pick you up some Burt's Bees, girl. It moisturizes your lips so good, so that's why I'm showing y'all this. Okay, y'all, so we are still on the face, but I want to give y'all a tip. Now, this Thayer's toner, you can use it on your bottom. When I say your bottom, I mean your boontang back there, okay? If you watch my videos, y'all know what the boontang is. Use it on your boontang and you won't have no smell. Thank me later. Okay, y'all, so we are going head over to the body washes, the lady body washes. A lot of people like to use the Cetaphil sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin, you can go ahead and use that. But as you can see, we are right here in the ladies aisle with all of the body washes, the Doves and the body scrubs and things of that sort. So I'm just going to show you all some of the products that I have already used, or some of the products that I feel like that it's good for you. This blue one smells so freaking good. So if you want to try the Olay blue container, go ahead and get you that one. I don't remember the kind, the flavor, whatever you want to call it. But this strawberry one, now this one right here is strawberry Olay by Olay. It smells so good, girl. It smells scrumptious. But the ones that I'm picking up is either the ones that I've already used or the ones that I feel like they smell good. Get you some. Okay, ladies, so listen, these are the only real good body washes that I use, everyday use, is the light green Dove or the dark blue Dove. For the music play, I found this St. Ives Tea Tree Lemongrass. This is really good. This is going to get you clean, but you have to start off with antibacterial soap before you start off with any body wash, okay? So these are the soaps that I usually use first before you use any type of body wash. You gotta use down. But I usually use the yellow one. And then you can go in with the body wash. Raw and Sugar has the best body scrub and body wash. Okay, so this is the raw coconut and mango. Oh my goodness. The best. This is actually better than Tea Tree Sugar Scrub. So yeah. Okay. I'm gonna hurry up and talk before the music start back playing, y'all. So, if you the girlies that like shaving, the best razors to get, always get 3-blade or 4-blade. I'm a wax girl, I like waxing, but if you like shaving, go ahead and get you Venus. And this one right here is also good too. It's only $9.99, and then the Venus one is $6.99. So Flamingo has some wax strips. If y'all want to try wax strips, go ahead and pick you up Flamingo wax strips. Feel just like this, what I would do to make you feel just like this. Make you feel just like this. City of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your rider, you now I'm not too solid. That means no permission. Missionary get boring. Switch positions. Hard to say your song, you'll never listen. No, no. Popping up, baby. Alright, y'all, so that's body. We're gonna go ahead and go down below. Let's go for the feminine area. Alright, y'all, so we finally at the feminine area, okay? I know this is what y'all been waiting on. So let me show y'all what I usually use. Alright, for your girl downstairs. So Honey Pot is my go-to. The ones that I usually use is either the orange one or this blue one right here, sensitive, or the normal. These are the two that I usually use. Now, I just came across what is it? Love Wellness. Let's see, Love Wellness. This bottle right here. It's the pH balancing cleanser. Let me tell y'all, this right here, it's that girl. Okay, let me come close so y'all can see. Okay, y'all, so I had to come and show you, girl, they playing music. Anyway, this Loom, I just been introduced to Loom. This stuff really works, so if you suffer from, you know, odor, definitely try you some Loom too. This right here. Okay, y'all, so I had to pick this up and show you guys the honey pot boric acid. These boric acid smells like tea tree, but it gives you a very, very nice, clean smell. So if you suffer from BV, if you suffer from yeast infections, you don't even have to use the honey pot kind. Just get you some boric acid, girl. I'm telling you, ladies, if you are not up on boric acid, if you want your poon to smell like what? Huh? Baby, you better go ahead and cop and pick you up some boric acid. Okay, all you have to do is just stick it up there. You can use it for 7 days. Stick it up there and you are good to go. You're gonna be happy. Your hubby, whoever you mess with, honey, is going to be happy. So go ahead, pick you up some boric acid. I'm showing you all of Honey Pot products right here. I love her products. I know it's been going on about, oh, she changed the ingredients, whatever, girl. Listen, the products, it still work for me. Okay, so those boric acid, the sensitive wash, the orange one, and the baby blue one is all I use. And honey, just go ahead and try it and you will thank me later. I'm telling you, you're gonna make your home happy, girl. We did the whole body from head to toe downstairs. Now when you are on your cycle, if y'all haven't tried the these right here, the Always Discreet Boutique Protection Fabric, these are really good. Ain't nobody got time to be wearing no pants no more, or leaking, or none of that. So go ahead and get y'all the panties that's disposable. Okay. Also, Honey Pot has the heavy flow liners as well. She has liners. Now with her liners, it has the mint, lavender, and aloe in it. If you don't like that cooling sensation down there, then I don't suggest you get it. But if you do, then definitely get you the organic cotton cover heavy flow. It's really good. Okay, that's if you're the girl that, you know, have to wear plain liners. Okay, now I will put y'all up on this. This is the cup. So sometimes I do, well, majority of the time I like wearing the cup instead of pads or any of that. You can wear this up to 12 hours and make sure you get the right size. Okay, so it comes with, I think it has 2 sizes, but I don't see the other size. But this one right here is the it's just one. Oh, this one, I don't know if this is the, oh, this is size 1. So I guess size 1 is for smaller or medium menstrual. If you're heavy, then you need to get size 2. But I like using a cup. I don't really use the tampons and all of that anymore. So I haven't used a salt cup before, but I like the Honey Pot. This is also a good brand right here. Yeah. It says no chlorine, bleaching, or dyes. So definitely try you all out these. If you want to wear tampons, this is the brand that I suggest you get. Okay, don't get any other brand. This is the brand that I suggest you get. It doesn't have any toxins and things of that sort. So go ahead and pick this up if you want that. Now this is a new brand. I never heard of them. August. I don't know who this is, girl. Okay. So all of these. She go for overnight pads, organic, overnight, the yellow ones, the green ones, and the pink ones. And don't forget to keep you some wipes on hand, girl. You have to keep some wipes on hand. If you don't keep no wipes, go ahead and get the Honey Pot wipes. Those are the ones that I suggest. And yeah. Alright, I think we did from head to toe. We did from head to toe, y'all. I wanted to show y'all this before I leave. Hold on. So this is the Flex Menstrual Disc. The Flex Mixture Disc, I haven't tried this out before, but these are disposable, I believe. So when you put it in, unlike the Honey Pot one, with the Honey Pot cup, you put it in, empty it, rinse it, then you can put it back in. With these are disposable. So if you don't want to put anything back in there and you want something disposable, go ahead and get you these Flex Mixture Discs. And they also come with a big, huge bag. It's 24 discs. So it comes with a big, huge bag too. It's 24 discs in this one. So, yeah. The essentials in bathing. Do not forget your Echo Tools dry brush, exfoliating gloves, and the back rub. Okay, dry brush. It gets your skin soft and crispy and smooth, okay? Don't forget it. Alright, y'all, so that is it for my hygiene routine shopping video. I showed y'all from head to toe. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead. I will try to leave some of the items down in the description box. I'm not sure, but don't forget to like and go ahead and subscribe to this video. Bye.